This is an unboxing of my first Home Chef box, and I'll show you how I plated it. Okay, I received my first Home Chef box today. Okay, so let's see what's in this puppy. Let's get cooking. Okay. We have some sweet potato mango cinnamon bites. Okay. Open me for delicious meal deals. Okay. And some offers. And I have here the grilled teriyaki steak. It says the pork pepperoni pizza meatloaf, but I received an email yesterday saying that there was some type of issue with the ingredients, so they're sending me some type of penne pasta instead. And I have the mushroom penne pasta, this is different than the other, okay? So, let's see. Oh, I have my Home Chef recipe folder. Nice. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. Big ice block. Package. Okay. This is the mushroom parmesan penne pasta. Nice. I have this is my pork and pepperoni pizza meatloaves with ziti. Then I have the grilled teriyaki steak. I guess the meats are going to be just at the end. Look down here and open. Have another ice cube. And we have the New York strip steak. Oh, okay. Okay, that's probably why I didn't get the pork, I guess. Okay. So this is a really nice steak. I mean, giving you an example, this is just putting it close to this tape dispenser. That's nice size steak. Okay. And so I'm going to. So this is the finished product. I grilled it on my grill, and the bag has the vegetables in it. Then I plated it. It is very juicy because I wanted the juices on there. I like that juice because it's coming from the steak. I was really impressed with it. Very juicy. And then I added the teriyaki sauce that made it even more juicier. I love this dish. This is not a sponsored video. I used my own money. If you're interested in Home Chef, I would definitely say try it. It was really easy, no chopping or anything like that, and very tasty. I'll leave a link in the description box where you can get $35 off if you'd like to try it. And I'll make more videos with other dishes I try.